How many times have we stopped ourselves from moving forward because of the words, what if? What if I fail? What if this doesn't work out? What if I'm not good enough? We all live with this self-doubt, don't we? But what if we changed our vocabulary? What if we replaced what if with even if? Stick with me for the next few minutes and I promise you I'll walk your way thinking differently about your challenges. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud and I love to share all things beautiful with you. Let me share a personal story with you. A few months ago, I was preparing for a major event, one that would have a significant impact on my career. Everything was lined up perfectly, but the night before, all I could think about was, what if all this goes wrong? What if I don't meet expectations? What if people don't bring the value I'm bringing? The pressure was immense and self-doubt crept in. But then I decided to make a small change. Instead of what if, I said to myself, even if things don't go perfectly, I'll learn. Even if I face challenges, I'll adapt. Even if the result isn't what I envisioned, I'll come out stronger. That mindset shift made all the difference. The event didn't go absolutely perfectly, but it went well. And I handled every challenge with confidence. I faced uncertainty head on, and it turned out to be one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. Now think about your own life for a moment. What challenges are you facing right now? Maybe it's a career decision, a personal goal, or something you've been putting off because of fear. What if? Just for today, you switched your thinking to even if. Words have power. By changing just 2 little words, you can change your entire outlook. I want to challenge you today. Take a situation you're uncertain about and apply the even if mindset. Face your doubts head on, knowing that whatever happens, you're strong enough to handle it. And remember, even if I fail, I will not regret that I did not try. The biggest regret is always in not taking the chance. So, take that step, face your challenge, and know that you're capable of handling whatever comes your way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Let's turn our what ifs into even ifs together. I believe in you. I love you. Until next time.